In today's video, we are going to show you how to calculate shipping on Kakobuy. Let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and then hover to the Estimate tab. From here, you need to choose the point of a destination. For example, I am in the US, and then you need to make sure that you have entered the proper rate. You do not want to guess the numbers because that will vary for the pricing. For example, we're going to be using 69 grams, and there is like a drop-down menu for the goods and types. You can choose from ordinary goods or brands. For now, I'm going to be choosing the first option, which is going to be ordinary goods. And you want to make sure that you are correct on the length, width, and height or centimeter. Okay? And then I want you to click the search button. If you do, it will give you a shipping fee estimation right here. So you can choose from any of the following couriers. You have EMS, UPS, USPS, and the transit time plus the shipping fee varies. If you wanted to know more about the details, just click this button right here. And basically, that's how you calculate shipping here in Kakobuy. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.